Yo guys, so here we are. This is as simple as it is. Now, I've routed all the cables. I've got the GPS over there in the front, and I've run all of this through. So what we're gonna do is set up. I've got the power running down over here. Everything is ready and good to go. Pretty simple. You know, it takes a little work to properly route the cables so they're not in anybody's way. Or in any function way, but pretty much I think I've got it covered pretty well. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put you in over here, you in over here, and then you in over here somewhere. Yeah. Okay, and then I've got to pull this out. Look at that. Got the welcome. There it is. Okay. I've got the tabs hooked in. Okay. Do you want to format it? So it's already asked me, look at that. I've got two cameras. This one's upside down. We've got to fix that. That's okay. The way that I've put this in the back, it's actually not in the outside of the car. It's on a metal rack that I have. So I'm pretty sure I can go in here and I can flip this. But I've got GPS, I've got SD card, I've got the microphone going, and it is recording. Check that out. So if I move this over this way, I can then bring this a little bit more directional. And then maybe even tilt this down a little bit more. There we go. So I can see the front of my hood. Now let's move this over just a little bit this way. Oh, wow. Check that out. It's got north at 1 km/h. I'm not moving. It's the GPS. It's over cloudiness and all that kind of stuff. But I've got this set up. Now, I can see the little bit of the box, but I can see everything across the front of my hood all the way over here. Maybe I should scooch this in just a little bit more. And what I like is I can move this in and out to give myself a little bit more real estate. But let me move this in. Okay, now let's tilt this in just a smidge. Yeah, because here's a nice thing. You don't need the mirror set in the right position. You're just moving it around to get the camera pointed in the right direction. So now I can just see, look at that. I can also scroll this up and down. So if I want to, I can even bring this to this point, getting rid of some of the box, and I can still see everything on the road. There's the camera right there. Small factors here that we can adjust. Plug that in. We're good to go there. Let me sweep back this way and then back this way one more time, and everything is upside down. That's because I mounted the camera upside down because of the way I had it set. So let me see if I can go to the setting, Wi-Fi, resolution 4K, recording time 1 minute, recording open, pull mirror back, close. Okay, let me see. Preview mode, touchscreen, gravity sensing. Okay, that's motion. If it feels a bang, yeah. Reverse line calibration. No, thank you. English time. Oh, it's not UTC +8. -4. Cool. Time settings. 2025. 12 hour. Oh, 2025 8/3. 14:59? Yeah, that's correct. Wow. Okay, it knows what time it is. Cool. Miles per hour format. Let me see what it says. Reverse line, gravity, touch, volume, pull back mirror. Actually, let's just leave that alone. Let's go back here. Pull back mirror, close. So I can rotate it, but I can't flip it. So I'm going to have to adjust that. That's okay. Let me see here. So here we go. This is it, guys. This is it. It's all installed. Got the camera where I want it. Got everything set up. You know, we can go ahead and put this in place. Love the fact that you can connect via your phone. You can download your files, easily accessible for the police or any situation that may come up, just to help protect yourself based on driving. Here's my rear view camera. Here's what I like about this. I've got this inside my Jeep. Those are the lines of my defroster lines. And if you didn't know, this is a Jeep. So I can take this and show the front, right? Everything out here, and it goes all the way out there. at an angle to the front of my Jeep out there, and all the way out this way to the front of my Jeep. So we can see everything that's going on in front. This doesn't get in the way. It's close, but it's not in the way. So we can see everything out in front. I think if I come down a little bit, it'll see it. Oh, it won't even see it. Wow, it's not even gonna see the phone. It's almost there. So you can set this here, boom, you're locked into position. You got your GPS, you got your 4K that it's running at. It's recording for the last 30 seconds. 2025, it's got the date, 3:08 p.m. Tells me that I'm locked in with GPS. And then all I gotta do is side swipe. Now I get a dual view. I get the full box view, so now I see more of that mirror cover, but I get the whole view of this camera, not just a position section of it. I also get this here completely. And then I swipe one more time, and then there's my full rear view mirror. And you can't go side to side, but you can go up. Look at that, down. There's my tire. That's my spare tire in the back of my Jeep. I don't need to see it, although I can see now everything behind me. So anything that's going on, boom, I've got that locked in. I've got no concerns about anything of this. And again, it also tells me my direction. So like I said, love the fact that I can connect via the app and pull things down and work on certain things with this, but I've got also everything associated with this that has everything for my protection. Anything that goes on from the back side, from the front side, and all you got to do is swipe in between, you can go check it out. Download it, get it off there and go, look, you hit me, you did this, this is what happened. I can see look, and it's great view. I can see that the auto zone on that bucket. I can see that that's my Yeti cooler way in the back. I'm telling you, you can be able to pick out numbers and information. Now this is 1080p looking at the back. Go this way, and this is 4K, right? I can see clearly through this whole deal right here, and that's my hands there. Right there in that corner, see my fingers glaring off the windshield. Woo! But anyway, all this perfect, looks great. So I just want to let you guys know that this is a really good system. You're going to enjoy this. So, and I tell you, the price point that it comes in is looking really good. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm out.